Not offhand.
No. He believed in panspermia. He said he said that abiogenesis was a ridiculous idea. He said it was mathematically impossible. Now, he describes this combination of material as random. And he is the one that came up with you were right about the junkyard thing. He says that abiogenesis would be like a tornado coming through a junkyard and blowing together a 747 jet, complete with everything it takes to run it. Now, but it's worse than that. Because then...
But isn't he making the same mistake that you just did?
No, because...
In assuming that it happened instantly.
Hold on a second now. Is Victor trying to tell me that given enough time, a tornado can machine all the parts in a junkyard to build a 747, just whirl them around and grind them together until they make all the parts necessary to build a 747, blow the rivets apart, then blow them all together and blow all the rivets in place to hold this jet together. And then help it pop to life, develop a reproductive system and a system of metabolism to allow it to eat and reproduce. Is this what he's actually telling me, that given enough time this can happen? Now, how impossible is that?
It's improbable.
You don't think it's impossible?
No.
I do. I think that it's ridiculous to think it's not impossible.
Over what time span?
Over any time span. Yes, that's what he actually said. Given enough time, given an infinite time span, a tornado can machine all the parts for a 747 from a junkyard, throw it together, throw the rivets in place, and come out with a functioning jet. Atheists literally believe this crap, and then they say creation is absurd. Huh.